Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. I welcome all of you to our online classes of Science Standard 3rd. Students, how are you all? I hope that you must be well and good and taking care of yourself. Students, in our previous period, we have started a new lesson, that is birds and their features. Now students, we have seen the types of birds. Types of birds depend upon the structure of claws the birds have. Now we have seen perching birds and climbing birds. Now today we are going to learn about praying birds. Praying birds, birds like eagles, hawks, etc. have strong and sharp claws to catch and hold their prey. The claws of praying birds are called talons. So students, are you getting it? Birds like eagles and hawks have strong and sharp claws. Their claws are very strong and sharp. And why they are having strong and sharp claws? To catch and hold their prey. And these claws are known as talons. Okay? Now let's move forward. Here is the picture of eagle, and you can see its claws. They are very sharp and strong. If you look at them, it looks very dangerous. Okay? Now students, next type is scratching birds. Birds like hens use their claws to scratch the earth. And why they are scratching the earth? To find out the seeds and worms. Such birds are called as scratching birds. They have sharp and hard claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at back. These birds can both walk and run on the ground. So, in this picture, students see, this is the picture of hen, and you can see her claws. Okay, 3 toes in front and 1 toe at back. Okay. Now, fifth type is wading birds. Birds like cranes, herons walk in shallow water, especially in search of food. Such birds are called as wading birds. These birds have long legs and wide spreading toes. These toes keep the feet from sinking in soft mud. Now students, please pay attention towards this, that birds like cranes and herons walk in shallow water. Why they are walking in shallow water? In search of their food. Such birds are called wading birds because they are standing in water. These birds have long legs and wide spreading toes, and these toes keep the feet from sinking in soft mud. That's why they are having the long legs. Okay? Now let's move forward. Here is the picture of heron or cranes. Now you can see the long legs of the cranes. Okay? They help the cranes from sinking in soft mud. Now next type is swimming birds or aquatic birds. Aquatic birds means the birds who are living in water. Aqua means water. Birds like duck and swans swim in water. Such birds are called swimming or aquatic birds. These birds have webbed feet. Students, have you seen the bird duck? And if you have seen the bird duck, you may have observed its legs. The birds like duck have webbed feet. These feet help them to paddle and push water while swimming. They can easily swim in water because of the webbed feet. Because of this webbed feet, they can paddle and push the water while swimming. Now you can see picture of duck here and its legs. You can see its legs and they are webbed so that they can easily swim in water and paddle the water. Now students, we have come to a new topic, that is the nest of birds. Birds build their nest to lay eggs, keep their young ones safe and warm. What is the need that birds build their nest? Only reason is that they lay eggs, keep their young ones safe and warm. Birds use grass, twigs, feathers, papers, old clothes, rags, cotton, wool, mud and leaves to make their nest. Now you can see variety of things the birds are using to build their nest. So these are the things. Once again I would like to repeat: grass, twigs, feathers, papers, old clothes, rags, cotton, wool, mud and leaves. These are the things that birds use to build their nest. Different birds make different type of nests. The nest differ in shape, size and nature of material used for building the nest. Each bird is having different type of nest. Now, this is the picture of a nest. You can see this is the nest that is made up of grass, twigs, feathers, papers, old cloths, rags, cotton, wool and other things. Okay? Now, one by one we are going to study the different types of nest. So first is the bulbul's nest. Bulbul build their nest in hedges and bushes with the help of grass. The nest look like a deep curve. Now, bulbul is a bird that builds its nest in the hedges and the bushes with the help of the grass. Bulbul's nest is made up of grass and it looks like a deep cup. Here is the picture of bulbul's nest. Can you see the shape of the nest is like a deep cup? Now, second one is the tailor bird's nest. Tailor bird. Tailor is a person who stitches the clothes. So students, this bird is also very clever because tailor bird uses its beak to sew big leaves together. To sew means सिलना. क्या करता है ये? जो बड़े बड़े लीव्स होते हैं उसको ये अपनी चोंच की मदद से सिलने का काम करता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ थ्रेड, वूल एट्सेट्रा। और इसके लिए वो थ्रेड का यूज़ करता है, वूल का यूज़ करता है टू मेक इट्स नेस्ट कोजी एंड कंफर्टेबल। और ये सब वो क्यों करता है? क्योंकि उसको अपना नेस्ट जो है कोजी और कंफर्टेबल बनाना होता है। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स क्वालिटी or according to its work, this bird has given the name of a tailor bird. Okay, this bird is very clever because it sews big leaves together with the help of its beak. Okay, now students, you can see here the picture of this clever bird, tailor bird, and see how beautifully this bird has woven its nest with the help of its beak. So, our next question is, what are migratory birds? Migratory birds means who are doing the migration. Now you will say, ma'am, what is the meaning of migration? Migration का meaning क्या है? तो migration का meaning ये है बच्चों कि कुछ पक्षी ऐसे होते हैं कि वो according to the season, मतलब जैसे ही season change होता है वैसे ही वो एक जगह से उड़ के दूसरी जगह पर जाते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ का क्लाइमेट उनको सूटेबल नहीं होता है और जहाँ का क्लाइमेट उन्हें सूटेबल होता है वहाँ पर वो शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं, वहाँ से वो मूव हो जाते हैं और ऐसी जगह पर मूव होते हैं जहाँ पर उनको क्लाइमेट सूटेबल होगा या क्लाइमेट उनको सूट करेगा। तो ये जो बर्ड्स हैं ये क्या करते हैं? माइग्रेशन करते हैं और इसीलिए इन बर्ड्स को कहा जाता है migratory birds. Okay, now see the definition of migratory birds. Some birds fly from cold countries. Now see, cold countries जहाँ पर ठंडा एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, टू वार्म कंट्रीज़, वहाँ से वो वार्म कंट्रीज़ की तरफ जाते हैं इन विंटर। कौन से सीज़न में? विंटर के सीज़न में। दीज बर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स। और जबकि वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर माइग्रेशन करते हैं, मूव करते हैं, मीनिंग ऑफ माइग्रेशन इज़ टू मूव, तो इसीलिए उनको कहा जाता है माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स। I hope that you are getting it, students. Now, here is the picture of migratory bird that is given in your textbook. So, I hope this is clear to you. Nice to see you studying. And I would like to say only students keep studying like this. Now, I will stop here and remaining lesson we will complete in the next period. But till then you have to keep studying and keep smiling. Bye for now. Bye dear students. Bye bye.